In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on multiple devices. With NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube and YouTube TV, you can log in on multiple devices, but only two simultaneous streams are allowed at a time. This means you can watch on your TV and your phone, or two TVs, but not more than two at once. To add a second device, simply sign in with the same Google account you used to purchase Sunday Ticket. Open the YouTube or YouTube TV app, go to Purchases and Memberships and select Sunday Ticket. If you want to watch multiple games at the same time, use Multiview feature instead of trying to add more devices. Multiview lets you stream up to 4 games at once on a single screen. You can stream Sunday Ticket on smart TVs, Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, PlayStation, Xbox, laptops, tablets, and phones, as long as you are signed in with the correct account. And that's how you watch NFL Sunday Ticket on multiple devices without issues. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.